Lecture on importance of discipline. Discipline is a very essential part of our life. To make it happy and well planned, a life without discipline is full of problems and chaos. Discipline helps to make a person better. Discipline helps a person to be more focused. In this busy world, people tend to get confused and distracted. Discipline brings sincerity in a person's life. Implementing discipline in a person's life is difficult. A disciplined person is always admired and given importance. Discipline is also very important for students. A child should be taught discipline from childhood. A disciplined person will have fixed time for everything, therefore, all his works are managed in time. A disciplined student will get up in time and finish all his activities in time. Time management is an important aspect of discipline. A person who can manage his time well can be well disciplined. Discipline is certainly a staircase to lead a person to success. Discipline is not only necessary but also vital for any civilized society. As a matter of fact, discipline and nature are synonymous with each other, and whenever anything happens which defies or interrupts the usual in nature, it becomes a calamity, and similarly, life without discipline can become chaotic. The term discipline means any training intended to develop moral character or produce a particular pattern of behavior accepted by afferent institutions and society. Discipline is a way of life. It is vital in shaping one's personality. According to one school of thought, there are here forms of discipline, that is expressionistic, impressionistic, and self-discipline. If discipline is usually considered to be the best form of discipline, here in the term discipline, instead of standing as a rigid code of conduct, OB strictly adhere to denotes a process of normal growth and learning of ways to monitor oneself. Self-discipline is directly related to the concept of freedom and motivation. If a child is motivated and given the freedom to choose, discipline becomes a natural way of life. In modern times, discipline is misunderstood and misinterpreted by some students as rigid and fixed set of rules enforced by others and to be followed without any questions being asked. They feel it is encroachment of their freedom and rights. Discipline is not a term which is limited to institutions like schools and colleges only. Neither is it a weapon or tool in the hands of adults to control the younger generation, or in other words, seeking unquestionable compliance. Discipline is neither suppression nor a means to assert one's authority. Rather, it is intrinsic motivation in a person to control oneself, one's emotion and desire, and live in a uniform and orderly manner. That everything in this universe has to follow certain rules. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Come what may, the cycle of seasons also follows a pattern. Night follows dusk, which follows day and dawn. Thus, we humans are also governed by rules, and following the same is another term for discipline. In schools, discipline can be exercised through the medium of morning assembly, timetable, uniform, break, activities, various competitions, and talk shows. An example of discipline is also the happening of activities in the school premises in a particular order, right from promptness in reaching the school, wearing the prescribed uniform, abiding with the school rules, attending classes, etc., etc. When one learns to conform to a particular set of rules, he understands the importance and need to follow a particular pattern in life, and how veering away from them can make life difficult and confusing. All successful people understand the importance of discipline in their lives and enjoy the fruits of success. An undisciplined person is prone to temptations and can easily fall prey to a lifestyle which could lead to his failure and doom. Discipline, thus, is inevitable as it gives direction to live life in a harmonious and orderly way.